Hi, today we go through the how to install Java 17 in a Windows system. First of all, go to uh, search Java 17 for Windows OS to download and go to 17. Then choose the Windows system, Windows 64-bit, and click that Windows 64-bit. I have already created the Oracle account, so it is a direct to download and double click that Java 17. It's preparing to progressing and this is a path. If you want, we need to change to path, and I don't want to change the path. If you want to, you have go to change the path. That's no need to go next step. That's a documentation. Just to close that and check the installed properly or not. Go to command prompt and search the word Java hyphen hyphen version. That's showing to Java. Yeah, that's a show to 17.0.14. That's a version. And in case that's not showing means you will go to environment setup, then use that 17. I will check the path is correct or not. Yeah, it's the 17. I previously installed 11. Uh, what is the difference between Java 11 and Java 17? Means like a little bit difference in 11 to 17. That's like performance oriented, and also like some few bugs, minor bugs are fixing. That's a difference between Java 11 and 17. And like Java 11, currently enterprise itself, they have a lot of enterprise companies they're using, but some companies or like that's a new startup companies or like new projects they have built Java 17, but old projects they made in the 11. I changed that, and also like Java path. I set up that. Yeah, this way of install the Java 17. Thanks.